Need to strip specific letters, numbers, or symbols out of a block of text without doing it manually, one by one? This is the tool for that. Head to FlipCaps.net, then go to Text Tools and open Letter and Character Removal. Paste your text into the left side, then just type the characters you want gone into the removal field. Want to strip all vowels? Type A, E, I, O, U. Want to remove all punctuation? Type the symbols you want gone. Every single occurrence disappears instantly across your entire text, no matter how long it is. The output updates on the right side in real time as you type. When you are done, hit Copy Output or download it as a text file. And the whole thing runs right in your browser on your device. Your text never gets sent to any server, never stored, never seen by anyone else. That is what makes FlipCaps different. Free to use, no sign-up, no character limit. If this helped, like and subscribe and check out the other tools on FlipCaps.